Happy Sunday! Good morning everybody! Kain po tayo. Yan, ang akin pong food. It's early morning. Happy Sunday all. I know you all are busy. You all go church. You are family bonding. Go shopping. Go anywhere. Yes, hello. Enjoy your day and happy Sunday, the 1st of December. And all of you, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hope you all everything is okay and no problem. And take your always pray to God and survive all and don't be hesitate and only trust yourself and love each other. Good morning, love you. Good morning, everybody, lovers of you.
Hindi